Welcome back to another edition of Sheepy Hollow. And what we're going to do now while I chew down on this jerky is go out and feed the birds. We got rain coming in a couple of days, so I might as well fill it up now. Before that, and you see this? This is a shoehorn that I got from IKEA. If you want to look it up. Doesn't really say what it is, I guess. I don't know. But they got these long shoehorns. They're great for putting on pull-on boots, especially these things here. Because the tongue, this part inside here where I'm hooked onto, that when you put your foot in there, it goes down inside, and then you got to bend over, and if you're old, your side hurts, and your back, or whatever, you can just hold that tongue up while you slide your boot, or lay your foot in the boot. How boot that, huh? Alright. And it's good for picking up your slippers after you're done. Now, just checking to see if it's windy out there or not. But we'll put the old chapeau on there, and I've already dragged the day's worth of wood in. There's the boys. Oh, I don't know what it is, but I'm feeling older and older every day, it seems. I really noticed it after I dropped the firewood on my foot. I sit down for a while, and the next thing I notice, whoops, I lost you here. Straighten that back up. Notice that when I sit down for a while and I get up and I start walking, it's like as if my feet are in one of those Japanese things what they used to wrap on the girls' feet to make them small so they couldn't run away. There we go. And here it goes. I've come to play, and they've come to play right back. Where's Sammy? Huh? Come on. What's with his butt? All right. Come on, boys. All right. Let's see what we got going here. Yesterday, or the day before yesterday, we had a mouse. Where's the mouse? Huh? Where's the mouse? Go find the mouse. Uh-huh. There must be a mouse underneath there. Where's the mouse? It's over here. I see the boys have been digging under there. Alright. Yeah, she's empty. So let's fill this guy up first. And I gotta get a new bungee cord. But not today. Alright, let's get this thing off here. What the hell here? If I put this here, does that mean you're going to hit your face into it? Huh? Just leave it alone. There we go. And I'm supposed to get a picture of you with a shamrock or something. Huh? Uh-huh. That's another idea. A garbage can lid holder. Okay, let's get this here. No, you don't need to see that. We'll put you up over here. And hopefully these guys just leave you alone. Alright, don't fall down. Right now. Well, I guess the only way to really tell is to go up and walk. Yeah. There, got the whole kit and caboodle now. Oh, for frig's sakes. Why is this so wobbly?